want to definitely get the feathers out. And this one got shot pretty good. All you need is a fork. You want to get in here, and it looks like you're messing your meat up, but you're really not. This is almost, you know, you're exfoliating that meat. It's helping the seasonings get in there. If you're going to season it up, just rip it back. See, yes, there's a shot I didn't even see. I want to get that out of there. Yeah. I'm the culprit of this shot. This is that bird we shot in the pasture up there. But I made a good shot on him in his waddle, you know. Got in there. His lungs were just blasted. I mean, he was real dead. But this isn't that big a deal. He's cleaning up pretty nice. A lot of this stuff is sitting on the skin and it'll burn off on the grill. Make sure it's got a purple spot right there. There might be a shot down in there. Let's see. Just a little feather. Not bad. Scrape some of that silver skin off. This shit is tough. I usually leave it on there. It's easier to chew it off than it is to cut it off. Don't see any purple spots in there. Yeah, that's looking perfect. Yeah, we're gonna do shish kebabs. So we want to get nice, even chunks out of this turkey breast, and you kind of got two pieces in this thing. You got like a fat side and a skinny side, and I just like to separate them right here. Found some more shot. Nice little piece. All right, so now I like to do strips. I'm just kind of measuring for even thickness right now. That's what I want. Alright, so with this guy, sometimes I cut him in half. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Just clean it up a little bit. Now this piece of meat right here, this can be a real pain in the ass. And I'm going to cut that off. Now I want to cut these pieces smaller because this meat is so much thicker. I want to make sure my kebabs cook nice and evenly. Might even cut that guy again. Good thing about cutting it up in these strips is you get all these feathers out. Maybe it's me, but I just really don't like the feather in the meat. It tastes like shit. Alright. Okay, so we're just going to do a very basic olive oil and salt and pepper on this right now. That's all it needs. I like to go for a full mechanical flop. only do this on the salt side. Oh yeah, that's perfect. We're gonna let this sit probably for, I don't know, 45 minutes before we get her going. This looks great. Oh, forgot to turn it on. I like to grill them whole. Don't fuck them up, you know. Ooh, that's a hot red pepper. I get you? It's an onion. Woo! Alright, we're gonna go for an onion assembly. See how far that gets us. I like to do the little over and under, like get her on there, pack her down. I like to keep my onions going the same direction for maximum packability, I feel like. Red onion in there. I can double it up. goes all the way through. Get your feathers out of there. In fact, the key to a good kebab is like leaving plenty of kebab on the end to really make sure that last piece stays packed on there. And then always put an onion on the end as like a washer. That's a durable kebab right there. Yeah. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go for a cover.